Morning, everybody. It's Saturday nature walk, and I'm just in the park. Yeah, see the park? Here's some birds and that. Don't see anybody, no. Hear lots of birds. Yeah, and it's just me going on a little nature walk. Yeah. I'm on the grass right now, see? And I'm heading for the path here. Yeah. Now I'm on the path. Look at what they did to this little bridge. Well, I'll switch it. Take a look. See? They colored it. There's red, orange, green, or red, orange, yellow, green, purple. Yeah, see? I'll back up. See? Just a little covered bridge here, yeah. Oh, it looks nice, I think. Yeah, see? They colored it all the colors. Yeah, now I'm gonna go across it. Yeah. Yeah. There. Oh, that's a neat looking bridge now. Yeah, they colored it all the colors. Yeah. And I'll show you the other side. See? Yeah, that's a neat bridge, yeah. They brightened it up. Yeah. They should have colored the boards too. Yeah, they could have colored all the boards the same color. Yeah. Did you see that neat little bridge? And there it is. It's right behind me. See? There it is, right behind me. But they should have colored the boards too. It would have looked nice. Yeah. But they would have. Yeah, but it looks nice. Yeah. Nice colored bridge. Yeah. And there's lots of bugs out. Lots of bulldogs. Not very many mosquitoes. Lots of birds I could hear. Yeah. Yeah. There. I'm just going to do a little walk today. I just wanted to come and show you the bridge. Really. Yeah. So I'll walk back. I'll walk back and show you the bridge again. Yeah. It's a neat little bridge, yeah. There it is. See the bridge? Yeah. That's a neat little bridge. Yeah, that's my little nature walk for today. Okay, bye. Bye.